got stuck. Oh, I see. I'm going to rip it off. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing a lip mask. I noticed when I do wear a mask the entire day, my lips tend to look like this. That looks really bad. So this is like a hydrating lip mask. This is not anything to exfoliate or anything of that sort. This is to actually bring back the life to your lips. What you're going to need is 2 ingredients. You're going to need some cocoa and you're going to need some almond oil. Almond oil is so good for lips. This is cocoa powder and this is almond oil. So I'm just going to mix a little bit of almond oil in here. So it's looking like this. And then I'm going to apply it to my lips. As I said, this is a hydrating mask and not an exfoliating mask. If you need an exfoliating mask, there is a video on my channel, but I will also just tell you guys, just add in sugar in any of your lip masks and just gently exfoliate that. This is not going to happen overnight, so you're going to continue doing this for maybe 3 or 4 days, and yeah, you should see some results. So do this like over 2 to 3 weeks, then you're going to start seeing results. Make sure you do it every single day. Ah, it got stuck. Oh, I see. I'm going to rip it out. So guys, you're supposed to leave it for a little longer than what I did, but because it got into my mouth, it started tasting like castor oil. Ugh. So I decided to just like wipe it off. You're supposed to leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes on your lips, so like the almond oil gets penetrated into your lips. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.